Do you need new siding? Has your home been damaged by hail, ice, or wind? Or is your old siding causing problems or falling off your house? Even if it only looks tired and worn or just plain awful, it makes sense to check out your options. Promar Exteriors can help. The solution is to replace your old siding and make your home look like new again. We only use the best quality materials, so your siding will look great and last longer. You can be proud of the appearance of your home once again. Not only will your home look like new, our new siding will make your home more comfortable year-round, warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. The best news is modern siding will lower your utility bills and maintenance costs. This means you can save money for years to come. Call us to schedule a free no-obligation private appointment and free estimate. We will even work with your insurance company if they are paying for the new siding. You risk nothing by calling us. Take action now and make your home look like new. Call Promar Exteriors today, your local siding experts.